Hello friends, today I brought you the MapReduce framework implementation in MATLAB. Okay, how you would able to analyze big data in MATLAB. Okay, here I'm taking a sample of big data. I've taken this data from Bihar Railway. Okay, this data contain train timing since 1987 to 2008. Okay, the departure time, arrival time, and let us analyze the data. What are the frequency I am getting with this thing? Okay, CLC. So this is our MATLAB platform. Thanks to MathWork, with the help of MathWork, now the big data can be analyzed in MATLAB only. Okay, so they provide a function named it data store. Data store create a data store for working to collect data. Okay, it create a data store in MATLAB, and you can get the data and call it anytime. Okay, here let me run few line of this code first and show the preview of this data. Okay, so this is the preview. Okay, you'll be getting year, month, day, week, departure time, arrival time, everything, train number, whether it is cancel, delay. Okay, so now I'm going to perform all the program. So I've already told you about data store, data preview. You can compare the number. You would be able to see the train number as well here. You get the train time, transaction ID, cancel date, everything. Okay, here I make maximum time wrapper and maximum time reducer program for which help MapReduce to perform its operation. MATLAB introduced MapReduce as an inbuilt function in MATLAB 2016 version. With the help of this MapReduce, okay, you can apply map and reduce function over here, where map function and reduce function solely designed for the dedicated purpose. Here I design map time mapper and map time reducer, which I will pass along with the database. Database is contained in DS directory. You can see it in MapReduce, and we'll see the result in variable result. Okay, I just run the program, this part. Okay, I just paste it on command window. Now for analysis, I just initialize the parallel pool here. So I guess most of the developer are familiar to these things, which appears in Hadoop as well. So here the mapper start, map 0%, reduce 0%, map 50%, reduce 0%. After the completion of map, the data after completion of map reduce is also achieve 100%. Okay, the result is stored in workspace. Okay, in a cell array. The file type is mat. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to graphically analyze the data. Okay, here I run the full program. So my friend, you will be getting graph like this, in which there is a number of different station has been mentioned, like DH, NE, PA, F9, TZ, and the frequency at the departure time of the train. This red line one represent the train always departs from since 1987 to 2008 on time. While in case of DH, there are some delay has been arrived in between 2005. While in case of NE, as we can see, delays happens after 2005. In HA, the delays happen after in around 2005 to 2008, while pre-A improved very much. Okay, here the analysis of different 7 carrier, the train per day moving average. Okay, so these are the comparison table of 9 different station. So this is I have done. This is a basic framework of MapReduce and how you would be able to analyze the big data. You thanks friends for